I'm Charlotte. Welcome to my channel. So I'm thinking about restart recording the Finnish learning again. And although I have completed two courses, Finnish 1 and 2 in the university, I still feel it's necessary to go over the materials and especially for the grammar rules, vocabularies, and important sentences again. Because I feel the more I learned, the more I forgot. And hopefully I can uh, review all the things that I learned for within 1 month so that I can enroll Finnish 3 next semester. Today I'm going to restudy the KPT change. So firstly, I searched the term KPT vaihtelu online, and it summarizes that there is another term called consonant gradation, which means the same. And I asked when the rule applies to a word, and it says that it's usually triggered when we want to add an ending for a case or verb conjugation. And usually the consonants lie in the middle of the word between two vowels, and the consonants are normally K or P or T. And for the word, the stress is always on the first syllable, and KPT change often occurs after first syllable. So I'm going to use some nouns and verbs to explain this. And my Finnish teacher has summarized that there are more than 5 verb types. So each verb type has different rule to follow, and I'm only focusing on verb type 1 this time to see how KPT changes. Now here lists a few nouns, and from vahva to heikko means from strong to weak. So the consonant K will disappear to become weak form, and P will become V, T becomes D. So for the words law, it's lucky, bread is leipä, street katu. Yes. So when the suffix or an ending is added to the word, the consonant in between the vowels will change. And for another few examples, like KK will become K to its weak form, and PP becomes P, TT becomes T. For the word flower, it's kukka, market, kauppa, carpet, matto. Yes. So let's make the changes. Lucky. We can add a location suffix, sa. So in the lower, laisa. Yes. Leipä, leivässä. Katu, kadussa. And for the next 3, kukka, kukassa, kaupassa, matossa. Leave 1 K, P, T there, yes. Okay, let's start from verb type 1. This type of verbs usually end with double vowels. And there is a common rule for verb type 1 to change the consonants. It's always from strong form to weak form. So from vahva to heikko, it means that K will disappear, P to V, T to D, and KK to 1K, PP to 1P, and TT to 1T. So all of the verbs here are type 1 verbs, but not all of them need to be changed for the consonants. So I have to find out which ones need to be applied to the rule. One is lukua with K middle, and lukea, saapua, lähteä, soittaa. Okay, so let's apply the rule. Okay, for first verb, lukea, it means read. And for verb conjugations, K disappear and add personal ending. So minä luen, sinä luet, hän lukee, me luemme, te luette, he lukevat. So it's still worth noticing that for third person singular and third person plural form, the K is still there, so it doesn't apply to the rule. So be careful to the third person forms. Okay, for the next one, saapua, it means arrive. So minä saavun, sinä saavut, hän saapuu, me saavumme, te saavutte, he saapuvat. Okay. Third one, lähteä, it means leave or go. Minä lähden, sinä lähtet, hän lähtee, me lähdemme, te lähtette, he lähtevät. Okay, I'm going to do a few practices. First one, I'm reading Kalevala. Luen Kalevala. Are you reading a book? Luetko kirjaa? She's not reading. Hän ei lue poem. What is poem? Runoa. Hän ei lue runoa. We are reading newspaper. Me luemme lehteä. Me luemme sanomalehteä. Aren't you reading a novel? Aren't you? Ei lue. Ei te lue. Ettekö te lue romaania? Ettekö te lue romaania? Are they reading a magazine? Lukevatko he? Aikakauslehteä. All the words. Oh my god. Aikakauslehteä. So I highlighted here the ending. It means the word changes to partitive form. And why here partitive form is used? I think there are different reasons. For some sentences, because the action is not complete, so we need to use partitive form. And for the others, like the negative sentence, she's not reading a poem. For the negative sentence, it's usually normal to use partitive form. Okay, more practice to do. So here I arrive at the station. Saavun asemalle. Saavun asemalle. So here the suffix changes to le because we use the verb arrive and the action moves towards some direction. We need to use elative case for for the word station. And next one, you arrive at the airport. Airport is lento kenta. You arrive at the airport. You sinä saavut lentokentälle. He doesn't arrive at the hotel. Hotelli. He doesn't arrive. Negative sentence. Hän ei saavu. Hän ei saavu hotellin. We'll arrive in the city. Kaupunki. We'll arrive in the city today. Tänään me saavumme kaupunkiin. Will you arrive in Italy tomorrow? Saavutteko te Italiaan huomenna? Saavutteko te Italiaan huomenna? Will they arrive at the airport soon? Saapuvatko he lentokentälle pian? Saapuvatko he pian lentokentälle? Okay. Now it's the practice for the last verb, lähteä. I go home. Lähden kotiin. I'm leaving for Helsinki. Lähdetkö Helsinkiin? Lähdetkö sinä Helsinkiin? She's not taking the class today. Hän ei lähde kurssille tänään. Next one. We'll leave for Sweden tomorrow. Me lähtemme Ruotsiin huomenna. Don't you leave for holiday? Ettekö te lähde lomalle? Ettekö te lähde lomalle? Yes. They'll leave station. He lähtevät asemalta kello 3. He lähtevät asemalta kello 3. So the suffix here changes to ulta. It means leave from a place.